Various roofing companies have tried to get a claim approved and get the roof replaced without success, and Whitaker was the first to actually get the claim approved and got the roof paid for. My name is Nick Pope. I lived in this current house for 20 years, a little over 20 years. Over the years we've had multiple hailstorms and between the various hailstorms, it's done damage. We've done claims before that have not been successful. So each subsequent hailstorm does a little more damage. I noticed there's granules in the gutters and certain shingles. You can see some are in pretty rough shape where you can start to see whatever's underneath the granules on the shingle, I guess. The issues with the roof concern me because obviously it affects the resale value of the house. You know, it most directly affects the curb appeal, which obviously affects the resale value of the house, and that's probably my biggest concern is once I go to sell it someday, especially considering all the homes around me have had their roofs replaced because of various hailstorms. It sort of sticks out like a sore thumb with an old roof. Whitaker was actually proactive and knocked on my door, and obviously as the roof deteriorates a bit, you get more and more knocking on your door. And again, since we've done the claims before, I usually turn them away saying, you know, we've tried with no success. So challenging the denied claim is what stuck out above and beyond the other roofers that I worked with. I'm not sure the insurance company is used to having their decision challenged. Then there were several back and forth between the public adjuster and the insurance company. And in the end, I think the insurance company relented and said, yeah, the evidence supports the claim. So from the moment Landon and Thomas knocked on the door, they've been good communicators, over-communicating in a good way, keeping me up to date on what was going to happen. They showed up a few weeks ago with roof samples, with shingle samples, and a sheet on what to expect on the day before, the day of, the day after. And kept me, you know, comfortable in the knowledge of what was going to happen through the whole process, and that really put my mind at ease through the whole thing. I would absolutely recommend Whitaker Roofing because they keep you well informed during the process. They're comfortable to work with, no pushiness, and the sales folks are well informed, they know their job, they know their product, and that makes me comfortable to make that choice.